Hi, it's Laura Lee, and I wanted to show you how and why I've created a site-specific plugin or functions.php plugin for my site. I'm not going to go through the steps of actually how to set it up. I'll include a link to this tutorial, which is the one that I followed, and it's really quite straightforward. It's very, very easy to set up, and although you do have to go into your cPanel and add in a file in there, but it's really not hard. You can just follow through in these steps. So that's the first part. The second part is, well, I guess why. The reason that I wanted to do it is that I was adding new plugins to kind of solve different things with my website, but it was making my website slow down a lot because they often have extra code that you don't really need. So when I created this one specifically for my site, I'm able to now add little snippets of code that are often you'll find in WordPress someone will recommend adding something to your functions.php. I'm not sure if I can zoom in on this for you, but anyway, that's what's happening for me right now, and that's why I'm doing this quick video for you. So today, my challenge today is that I need to add a piece of script to one page on my website. So I'm supposed to take this script right here, put it on a page, but the theme that I use doesn't allow me to put code on only one page. So what I'm going to do is, nope, that's not the one that, I'm going to grab this code right here, and what I'll end up doing is changing the ID of the actual page that I need it to make the change on. And I'm going to go over to the back end of my WordPress site. I'm going to plugins and editor, and I'll choose the functions.php plugin that I created for myself before, and I'll show you how to go ahead and do that. Okay, so in edit plugins, I just need to scroll through and look for the one that I've created for my site and click select, and then it will just show you the code that's in the back end of that. And then I try to make notes about all of them because sometimes I don't remember why I've added something unless there's a note. So I'll do that. I'm going to paste the code in here, and then I'm going to actually this is a really long one. Show you how I actually just make the little note so that it doesn't show up or make the plugin stop. So the piece of code that I added right here, because I better double check, is, yeah, it started with functions by JavaScript. So I'll just post that note right there, and I'm going to say to add, what do I want this to be? To add script to top of one page, and then what I'll come back in and do this later, but I'll put the page ID, the right page ID, into this spot later, into those two pieces. But for now, I'll just update the file. And that's really all you need to do when you add the extra code into your site. And then in this case, what it's creating is, I believe, is a short code, but I'm not sure. And that part isn't really relevant to the plugin itself. So hopefully this helps show you kind of an example of where you might use the plugin, how to quickly edit it, and I'll include a link to the file for where the step-by-step on how to actually create that plugin. Have a great day. Bye for now.